Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. So let's address the elephant in the room really quick. If you guys haven't seen me on social media lately, yes, I cut all my hair off. I love it. I feel like I have a style again. My hair has been long for years and I'm absolutely loving this new short hair. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, if you're loving it, and also if you guys want a tutorial on how I've been styling now that I have this short hairstyle. Because to be honest, my hairstyling game has taken a 180 since I got my hair cut off. So today I have an awesome new product to tell you guys about that already sold out once, and I know you're going to love it because I've been using it so many ways in so many different situations, and it is just such an amazing thing to have. You are gonna love this, and you're gonna want to have it if you love makeup, if you love making sure you have good lighting in your photos, and also if you love to travel. This is so perfect for travel. I am living for it. So what I'm gonna be telling you guys about today is the new Vanity Planet Pose Mirror. Oh my gosh, you open it up, it props itself up. It is literally the size of an iPad, which makes this so perfect for travel, and the lights, yes please. And I'm also going to have a super amazing deal for you guys to get it all on a budget with a discount, because you know I always hook y'all up whenever I can. You can go ahead and keep on watching this video. Okay, so let's jump right in and start talking about this bad boy. I love ring lights. I love mirrors with lights in them. You guys know I've put them on my channel before. If you are someone that loves makeup, if you are someone that likes to photograph your makeup, if you like to take selfies, like, you know you have to have good lighting. If you guys follow me on social media, then you already know. I have big ring lights. I have small ring lights. I have travel ring mirrors. Like, I have so many different things because lighting is so crucial in your photos, in your videos. And you guys know I have a podcast. I do a lot of live videos and coaching and workshops on Facebook for female empowerment. Lighting and photos and video is such a big part of so many things if you work in the online space especially. So I'm so excited to tell you guys about this because I am obsessed with it. So this is the Pose Mirror from Vanity Planet, and I love, first of all, let's appreciate the size. It is USB chargeable. There's an on and off switch on the back. You don't have to worry about it accidentally turning on and draining the battery. It has a very, very long battery life. I charged it once and I honestly didn't charge it again for like weeks, and I was using it and it never died. So the battery charge on this thing is bomb. It's going to last you a really long time and so perfect for travel. I appreciate the size of this so much for traveling, because when you're traveling, like, you don't always have room for all that extra shit you use at home in your makeup room. And it sucks when you're somewhere and you don't have your normal setup and you don't have good lighting. Trying to do your makeup and make sure you look cute, like, you need good lighting. And sometimes hotels just have like the big faraway mirror, and you need something more close like this to really be able to see what you're doing. So again, the size. I cannot get over the size of this. That is, I think, one of my favorite parts, because it is literally the size of like an iPad. So you can slide this right in your purse, in your carry-on, in a bag if you're going to do a makeup job, which I'm going to tell you guys, I've already been using it that way as well. There's just so many uses for this thing. I've been using it for makeup jobs, for people to look at their makeup and have good lighting so they actually get a good picture of what it looks like. Because half the time I'm shoved in the corner of a hotel doing wedding makeup or event makeup, and trying to put people by windows or bring their own ring light is such a hassle, and this is so convenient to bring along. It's just so, so good. You'll find so many uses for it, I promise you. So this is what the mirror looks like. It is nice, big, clear. So you have plenty of room to see yourself. I want you guys to see how much it actually lights up my face when it's in front of me, so watch. Like, oh my gosh, for photos, just for makeup, it's so much better, and it's a pretty powerful light for the size of this mirror, so it packs a punch with the brightness. But this is the other really cool feature. So when it's on, if you hold your thumb on the power button, it dims down. So you keep your thumb on there until it gets to the level of brightness you want, and it goes lower and lower and lower until it eventually is off. So I love the customization. I love that you can choose how bright it is. So if you're feeling like it's a little too bright and you want to soften it up a little bit, you can dim it. And this right here is just the symbol that lights up when it's charging, when it's plugged into USB. So this is just amazing. As I said, I've been using it all the time on myself for makeup. You know, when you're like trying to tweeze your eyebrows and you need like really good lighting and you need to see, this is like tweezing your eyebrows' best friend. It's going to be a total game changer because it's good lighting and close up so you can see really well. It's taking the convenience, the mirror, the lighting that you love to have and use at home to make sure everything looks perfect, and the convenience of being able to literally hold it up and take it with you in your purse. Like, what is better than that? So the LED Travel Makeup Mirror Light retails on Vanity Planet for $80, and it is worth every penny of that $80 with all the use I've been getting out of it. But you guys know I always hook you up. I always make sure you're balling on a budget whenever I can. So I have a link and a discount code where you guys can be able to get this for under 50 bucks, which is such a great deal. You are going to get so much use out of this. It is so worth the money. If you are someone that likes to take a lot of selfies, a lot of makeup photos, that alone, you're going to change the game using this mirror. So if you guys want to check the mirror out, if you want to steal this super deal I have for you guys, you're going to go to vpwow.com/24pose. And you're going to enter the code 24pose at checkout. And it's going to take the LED Travel Pose Makeup Mirror from $80 to just under $50 for you guys. And I'm so excited to be able to give you that deal because it is so worth it. You guys, this mirror has already sold out once. Literally, when I first got it and I was ready to make this video, I didn't even record it for you guys because it was sold out after they first launched it. And I had to wait for them to do the restock and everything and have it back for sale before I could make this video and advertise it to you guys because I didn't want to be like, hey, here's this mirror, and then no one can get it. But yes, it sold out because it was so popular. It is so amazing. So make sure you jump on it and grab it today because you are absolutely going to love it. So you guys, thank you so much for watching today. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments if you are checking this mirror out, if you are buying it, if you are so excited to use it. I will have my face on the screen here per usual. If you click it, you'll be subscribed to my channel, and I will also have some other videos for you guys to check out as well. But I think that is all I have to say right now, except if you guys are not following me on social media, make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram and on social media because I am so active on there and you guys can follow my day-to-day life a little bit more. But I think that is all I have to say for you guys today. So until next time, I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye!